Okay, we live. Yes, we are. I believe so. Let me fix this. 1 2 1 2. Hello. Okay, we're good. Alrighty. So, uh, yeah, it's been a while. Welcome everybody. Welcome to another day trading show session, whatever you want to call it, with Fabio. Hope everybody's doing great. I know I am this morning. Woke up in a great mood, ready to trade. Um, I've been gone. I want to say, God, I can't remember when was the last session. I'm really bad at. I gotta start keeping a track of this because it's kind of like going on and off. But I was on holidays for a little bit. I was out of town, so I wasn't. I wasn't uh, in the office, as you can see. So I couldn't trade. So trading like I was still trading. I just didn't record anything. Obviously, I journal everything, but I wasn't recording. But we've made a little bit of progress. I want to say we're up like I want to say $300 or something. Um, roughly $300. So it wasn't too bad. We had like winning days and some losing days. I want to say like we had. I traded last week maybe. I want to say. I want to trade like three 3 days out of the week or 4 3 days. I think it was Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. No, never mind. It was 4 days. Yeah. I didn't trade on Monday. I came back from Texas. I was too tired, and I had to run some errands and um, decompress, as they say. So, anyways, let's get back to the charts. So what we got going on, basically, market opened and we just started tanking, going lower. Could have had. I was looking at it like pre-market time. Well, not even pre-market, like at the opening of the market, like 9:30, 9:35. I was looking at this setup. This looked like a really decent setup. So anyway, looking at the higher time frame, at the 10 minute, we had this zone at 484 that I really liked. I marked on my chart, and looked like it was gonna break, and it did. And so right over here, it broke it. And my usual setup is like a break and retest. That's what I like to do. That's why I kind of found my edge in the market doing that. So I found success in it. I like it. So you always want to usually stick to whatever works for you. Hey, my strategy might not work for you, and that's fine. You gotta find something that works for you. Back test it. Do get the reps in, and find whatever is convenient for you, and is whatever suits you. Everybody has a different identity, and everybody has a different style of trading. Because I trade this way doesn't mean you're gonna be successful in it, or maybe the way you trade doesn't mean I'm gonna be successful in it. Vice versa. So could be somebody can be trading a whole different strategy that me and you have never heard of, but they make money regardless, and that's fine. That's it's part of the game. You gotta find yourself. You gotta find you gotta find what suits you the best. And once you do, stick to it. Don't change. Just stick to one strategy. Stay consistent and be patient with it. And don't jump from one strategy to another, cause it won't be fun, and you're just gonna waste time and energy. Um, so find one strategy. One is more valuable than 10. Less is more. Anyways, so well, like I said, I showed here. It was basically a break of the 484. Very important support zone. Price went lower. I like the volume on this. Big momentum. And then, usually, I would have placed my order right over here and sold off for a decent, yeah, I want to say easily 30 to 40 points. The ATR is high. Yeah. I usually go for like around, I want to say like 120 ticks, which is like, oh my god, um, like 30 points, roughly 30, 35 points. I don't mind. It's a pretty good deal. So, with one micro, obviously. So, I didn't take the trade. Oh well. On to the next one. So, let's see what's going on. Let's see where the market's gonna head. So right now we're playing around that. Well, we broke that 326 zone, which I marked on my chart. Yeah. Oh. Um. Pardon me. I got a lot of drawings over here, and there's a lot going on here. So bear with me. Okay, so broke that 326, but price seems to be rebounding. Um, like I said, I don't have a I don't have a direction or a bias yet. Um, looks to me more like just market's doing its thing, and I'm gonna give its time, and then when I find a setup, obviously I will uh, I will announce it. But right now, in my eyes, there is not much we can do now but to wait. Right? I think so. So yeah. Obviously, I'm not gonna buy into just selling for no reason. It's kind of dumb. You need to have some kind of confirmation, extra layer of confirmation to convince me to go place a trade. I don't go into trade like, you know, clueless, or I don't go like in just for the fun of it. No, there has to be something behind it. Like there has to be a theory why I went into that trade. Right now, I don't have a what do you call it? I don't have a desire. So let's wait and see. Usually Mondays can be tricky for me. Statistically, Mondays are my worst performing days. Sometimes I don't trade them. Sometimes I do and I don't take a trade. Sometimes, yeah, or I can win, but like I said, it's the worst performing day. I don't know why. Maybe I'm excited to trade, and I get like, what's the word? I get excited, and the tendency is there. I don't know, but more prone to taking trades. No, I don't think so. I just don't know. It's just Monday is not a great day for me, and that's fine. We're trying to fight against it. We're trying to battle that. We're trying to like make it a profitable day. So gotta take time. Like I said, the best trades call it lane 4 trades, A plus setups, the best of the best. Gotta take it. Gotta take those trades. I'm so excited. I don't know why I'm excited to trade today. I don't wanna. I haven't been here for a while. That's why I'm so excited. I don't know. Yeah, it's good to be back. I don't know. So Let's see. Let's see what we got. Um, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, we're good. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, just checking the stream through my phone. See if everything is alright. This is your night tonight. Everything gonna be alright. Yeah, we good. Okay. I'm in the process of getting another monitor so I can actually have a look at the stream on my third monitor. So I got my trading on the left and my streaming on the right, and then probably gonna invest into a better camera because I don't like this MacBook camera. It's quite um, it's quite dirty. I don't know, in my eyes, it's quite dirty. Dirty, like not dirty. It's like low quality. So yeah, I might invest into a better camera, but later on. Who cares, right? It's about the it's about the quality of the stream. What's going on? That's more important than my freaking face. But yeah, I just like to have everything, everything nice and neat in place, organized. Boom, boom, boom. So okay, back to the market. Okay, ATR almost at 40. Almost at 40. This is a no trading zone for me, buddy. Like I'm telling you. Honestly, from my previous data, what I've noticed is like I be performing the best in a slow pacing environment. Trading minis. Like I don't like trading in the fast pacing environment like this. Like this is there's too many like whipsaws, like spikes. Um, something's going on. Like there's a lot going on right now. Maybe the news was at 10. Like just a lot of commotion in the market. You know what I mean? So I like more slower, composed, mellow environment. I see my setup. I take it. Boom. Execute. Buy. Target hit. That's it. You know. That's what I'm looking for. I don't like I don't like the craziness, like the extreme like volatility. I just don't like it. Honestly, it's just me. I found more success trading in a slower environment than in a like crazy fast pace. Obviously, I know some like people say like when like you need volatility. Of course, everybody needs volatility to make money in the market, right? You gotta be in a you gotta be in a fairly liquid market. It has to be volatility or everything. All of that has to be in alignment, of course. But I'm saying like when ATR is like over 40, 50s like it was a couple of months ago, not for me. Sorry, not for me. Those are like big whipsaws and jumps and spikes. You get tagged out just like that. One big move like 10 to 20 points is nothing. It's like light work. We're going for like 30, 40 point spikes, 20 point spikes, like nothing. Like it just happens naturally. I don't like that. I don't like that. Hey, you obviously gotta use a bigger ATM. Like you're gonna probably expand your stop loss and take a bigger take profit, and you gotta be ready to take the loss if it hits. You gotta be able to take the loss. Be like, okay, buddy. Oh well. You know, put like a freaking like 200 tick loss. It's $100, dude. Or like 300 tick loss. 150. Hey, you gotta be ready for it, right? Alright. So I prefer and keep. I'm talking micros. I'm not talking minis. I'm not trading minis in that environment. No, sir. I'm not looking to blow the account. But some people like that. Some people want to do that. Hey, be my guest, buddy. You go ahead, knock yourself out. Like I said, everybody has to kind of find their edge and get to know themselves and what kind of environment they're comfortable in trading in, um, what circumstances, what criteria. And one of them for me, I set out a rule, a principle, a single rule that says don't trade when ATR is 40 plus, and I don't. I'd rather look at the chart, stare at it, see what's going on. So it's all part of the game, buddy. You buy, sell, or you wait. Simple as that. Okay, so what we going on? What we got going on here? I want to say, well, some sort of a not so good looking descending triangle, but you get the gist. We got some lower highs, lower lows. Boom, boom. And well, let's see here what we got. Let me mark this up proper way. Okay, so let's call it 230. Let's round it up. Okay, I see. On 10 minute, right? 230. Interesting zone. Okay, let's see if we can we break this and head lower, get a retest, and you know the drill. You know how this goes. Very simple, boring as always. Trading is boring once you keep on executing the same strategy, nothing exciting. But hey, you want to be profitable? Be boring. Don't be excited. It's the that's the reality of it. So okay, well, it looks like that 230 zone is holding pretty good. I like a move like this. Yeah, it's my type of move. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see here. Mhm, mhm. Right. Okay. It's been pretty busy this morning. I see from the opening. Pre-market, not much. Like I looked at the chart at like 8:30. Not much going on. ATR was too low as well. Let me see. Let me go back. Yeah, dude, this is it's not ideal. Not much going on. So let's see. There's a girl that's been on my mind all the time. Studio. Now she don't even know my name. But I think she. Studio. Oh, if she called, I'd be there. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. All right, guys. It's just a waiting game, I guess. Okay, let's see. We flirting with the 230 zone. 230 looking like it's breaking. No more than 230. Look like the sellers are taking over. Wait, hold on. Mm-mm-mm. The buyers are like, hey, hold my beer. I'm not done. I'm not done. They seem to be fighting for their life, fighting for their life. Mm, okay, yeah, that break was not valid at all. Let's check the line chart to see if I see any pattern. Not really. Not really. Nope. Mm-mm. Yeah, boy, we've been fighting with that 230 zone for a while now. ATR still pretty high. Looks like there's been engagement, a lot of engagement in the market. Okay. A lot of participants today. Okay, we really flirting right now with the 230 zone. This makes me believe this is a crucial support right now. But let's see. Maybe it's gonna be a reverse. Maybe buyers are stepping in saying, hey, we taking over. It's our land. Or they're crumble under the pressure. So, well, looks like the buyers are declining. Interesting. Great momentum. Wow. It's impressive. Now, like I said, I want to see a break below the candle that broke the support. So let's say a break below 178. Maybe go for a retest. Hmm. Yep. Right over here. I'll put it over here. Right, retest it. Just below. Let's see. If we get filled. If not, that's okay. Let's see here. Okay, that's a big break. Now wait to see if we're gonna get filled. So right above the wick, I go for a 1-to-1 win, 1-to-1 ratio. No. This probably won't get filled. Price setting lower. Didn't catch that move. Didn't retrace. No, not even here. Like 206, 207. No. And no chance. Oh well. It's part of the game. It's part of the game, buddy. Boy, we dumping today really hard. Look at that. From the opening, like almost 500 points. Yeah, almost. Damn. Well, it is 500 points technically. Wow, been dumping hard. I see a rebound here. Are we heading lower? Oh my God, dude, it's been a while since I've seen this, dude. Straight hammering, hammer after hammer, dude. Oh well. Oh boy. It's like some consolidation going on over here. It's either gonna push it higher or lower. Usually, what I like to do is see some consolidation going on and break lower, place an order just below the wicks for continuation. But either that or the retest of this support zone, and then, like, say for example, boom, we go up and then go down, like a bear flag basically. So let's see. There's a girl that's been on my mind all the time. Studio. Ba-ba-ba-da-da. She don't even know my name, but think she likes me just the same. Studio. If she called, I'll be there. Oh God. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, excuse me. Now, might be a reversal coming up. Take this off. Oh boy. Oh wow. Damn. Wow. That's insane, dude. Down almost 600 points. Holy crap. And still going. Well, you know, they say the FOMO starts to kick in, right? Not for me. Um, However, I don't know. Retesting that zone over here. We're going into unfamiliar territories here, to be honest. Anything can happen here. Like a spike up. I'd rather not indulge in this just yet. Usually I like to take these low base setups, but now, I don't know, not really convinced. I want to rush into a trade. I want to try and do something irrational. Not smart. Oh well, that could have been a winning. Could have. Yep. Let's see here. Oh damn. Oh yeah. All day. ATR 40, hands off, buddy. Oh well. Sometimes you let them go. What can you do? That's trading for you. I sound like I took a loss. I didn't even take a trade. What am I complaining? Nah, not at all. Um, didn't take the setup, buddy. Oh well. Could have been a great setup though. Really could. Yeah, we're just heading lower, dude. Buyers, where you at? God, I haven't seen this. I haven't seen this. What do you call it? I haven't seen this much selling in a while now. What the hell's going on? Are we in a recession? Are we all hell broke loose? What is going on? Studio. That's Monday for you, buddy. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Money Monday. No money Monday. It's funny. Ooh. Oh yeah. Boy, the buyers just left the chat. Like, gone. Nowhere to be seen, buddy. Wanted. Hell no. Uh, buyers are gone. Ah, well. Big spikes. Okay, we're starting to reverse finally. Possibly. Possibly. Let's see. I'll break that 54 zone. Oh, we're still heading lower. Okay. The buyers woke up from the slumber. Wakey, wakey. Alright. Let's see what we got going on. Is this trend valid or not? Oh. See the higher time frame. Okay. Not much. Nope. Damn. Wow. That is wild, dude. Retesting this zone and breaking this level. Holy shit. Boy, we could be heading lower. This don't hold, we're going lower. Damn. I didn't even look at the daily or look at the 4 hour. Yeah, dude. We're in some serious trouble over here. Okay, we broke the 50 zone. I'm gonna say previous support, turn resistance. Now back to, yeah. ATR still 40 plus. Nope. Give it 10 more minutes and we're close for the date. Gotta run some errands. Yeah. Okay, let's see here. Well, how about a retest? A retest at 50. Right around here. Because since ATR is higher, it's gonna be a lot of spikes. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Yeah, right around here. Give it 100 ticks. Damn, almost. Nope. It said nope. Yeah, that's gone as well. Didn't retest it. Well, it wouldn't have either. At 60, 61. I put it like a little bit like at 50. Usually, from my previous experience, what I've noticed is when ATR is higher, the wicks penetrate through the support or resistance and they go deeper. And if you don't have your stop widened, you can get tagged out easily, pretty quickly, in a fast-pacing market. So that's why I decided. That's why I put it like right at the line, because I was thinking, since it's ATR is over 40, there's a lot going on, a lot of volatility. Might penetrate through that, and then go like this, and then whoop. But it didn't. It went through 60, and they want to head lower. Oh well. That's part of the game. Wouldn't get filled anyways. Ah well. I still mark this area because I like it. We got 5 more minutes, my friends. Could be walking out with no trade today. I'll take it. It's Monday. Like I said, Monday can be either a loss or a no trade or a win. But the likelihood of being a loss with high probability on Mondays. Not today. Ugh. broke that. Okay, looks like, yeah, this could be an interesting support. So resistance at 211. If it can push for it. Mm, mm, mm. Mm-mm. It's gonna slow down. Well, I'm gonna shut it down for today, folks. Thank you for everybody joining and watching this. And we'll see you again tomorrow, alright?